All units, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This is not a drill.
All teams, report current status.
Sector Gamma is secure, Captain. Asset remains stable.
Secure the forward crates now. We need to maintain speed.
Aye, Captain. Moving now.
All right, move that red container to the starboard side now. Keep it clear of the cage. All right, move the starboard crane to bay 3. Watch the chains. Secure that cargo now.
Secure the forward hold now. All units, maintain tight formation and keep your distance from the subject.
All right, lift the forward container now. Watch your spacing. Keep clear of the cage. Secure that line.
Watch the perimeter. Keep your eyes on the cage.
Hold that position. Bays 3 and 4 secured.
Copy that, Captain. Crane's disengaging.
Easy with that crate. Keep it clear of the railing. Watch your footing, men.
Yes, Captain. What is that shadow in the water? Sweet Mother of God. Get to your stations now. Hold the line. Brace for impact.
All hands, secure the cargo now.
Fire! Fire on the streaks!
Open fire.
Open fire now!
Brace for impact. Hold on to the cargo.
It's coming right.
All hands, brace for impact. Fire everything you've got.
It's too big, Captain.
Brace for impact. All hands, secure the cargo now.
Keep firing. Keep it away from the ship. Brace for impact.
We're losing the deck, Captain.
Keep firing. Secure the deck now.
Hold the line. Do not let it reach the payload.
Look out. Containers are falling.
Hold the line. Secure the cargo.
It's breaking through the hull, sir. Fire at the eyes.
Watch out, it's coming back.
Get down. Take cover. We need more firepower on the hull.
Secure the cargo. All hands, brace yourselves.
Keep firing. Don't let it on deck. Keep firing. Hold your positions.
Captain, the chains are broken. It's too strong. Brace yourselves. Fire everything you've got.
We're losing the deck. Fall back.
Hard to starboard. Secure everything, or we're going down.
Brace for impact. All batteries fire at will. Keep those stabilizers online.
Massive wave incoming. Brace for impact. Secure the cargo now.
We're losing the containers. Hold the line! Hold the line, men. Keep firing. Don't let that thing surface.
Secure the cargo. All hands, brace for impact.
Hold the line. Secure the cargo. All hands. All hands. Yes.
Hold the line. All hands, secure the deck. Don't let that monster take the ship.
Hold on. Brace for impact. We're losing her, Captain.
Fire, fire. Keep firing. All hands, brace for impact. Secure the cargo now.
We're taking on water, Captain.
The ship won't hold. Brace yourselves. All hands, secure the cargo. Fire everything you've got. Brace yourselves. Secure the deck. All units, open fire on the creature now. Hold on to the ropes. Brace yourselves. Secure that beast now. All hands, brace the cargo before we lose it all. Secure the deck now. Hold on. We're losing it, Captain. Brace for impact. All units, keep firing. Don't let it rise. Hold the line. Secure the cargo. Marines, keep firing. Don't let it break free. Hold the line. Secure the cargo.
We're losing the deck! Get back! It's dead! We made it!
Secure those lines. Move it. Let's get this deck cleared now. Steady, steady. Slide that crate toward the bow. Keep the tension on those lines.
Get those lines secured! Pull hard!
We're losing the starboard side, Captain.
Get those lifeboats lowered now. Secure the perimeter. Keep moving. We need to evacuate the deck immediately.
Move! Move! Move!
All right, men. Secure the davits. Easy now. Watch your footing on the ropes.
We're loaded, Captain. Ready to cast off. We made it! The storm is finally over!
Steady as she goes. Lower the boats now. Keep them moving.
Abandon ship. All hands to the lifeboats. Move! Move! Get clear of the deck now.
Lower away! Gently now! All soldiers report to Lifeboat 3. We made it! It's finally over. We actually survived. We did it! We survived! 3 cheers for the big fellow!